Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today we will study about selection of terms in arithmetic progression. So let us see how to select the number of terms in AP. If we have to select number of terms, it is given to us is 3. 3. So we will assume it A minus D, A into A plus D. And the common difference in this case is D. And if the number of terms is 4, then we assume it a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, and the common difference in this case is 2d. And if we select the 5 terms, then we assume it a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d, and the common difference is d in this case. And if we have to select 6 terms, then we assume a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, a plus 5d, and the common difference in this case is 2d. So friends, now we will solve the following questions. The sum of three numbers in AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the numbers. So let us see. The sum of three numbers, let us assume in AP is A minus D plus A plus A plus D A plus D equal to what? Minus 3. It means uh, 3a equal to 3, it means a equal to minus 1 in this case, right? And the product is 8, it means a into a minus d, a plus d equal to 8. It means simply a into a square minus d square equal to 8. If you put the value of a from there to there, minus 1 square minus d square equal to 8. It means 1 minus d square equal to minus 8. It simply means 1 plus 8 equal to d square. It means d square minus 9 equal to 0, or d equal to plus 3 and minus 3. Now let us see the terms. If we take the positive value, right? If we take the positive value plus 3, what we will get over there? A minus d, right? And a is minus 1. A minus d की value हो जाएगी minus 1 and plus 3. It means it is 2. And if we take a, so a is what? Minus 1, so it is minus 1. And a plus uh, so let us see, we have done some mistake in this case, friends. It is a minus d. A minus d means minus 1 into minus d, and it means minus 3. So this number will goes to minus 4, right? And it is a plus d. A plus d means minus 1 and plus 3. This number will goes to plus 2, right? And now if we take minus 3 value, then what will happen? It is minus 1 and it is minus d, so minus minus 3 to this minus 1 plus 3, it means plus 2. And if we take a, the this will remain same in this case, and this will remain minus 1. And for a plus d case, it is minus 1 minus 3, so this will become minus 4, right friends? So this is the solution set. This is the solution set, and I hope that you have understood this very well. Now move to next question. The question is given to us in on screen. Find four numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of whose square is 120. And how you people will select the four numbers in AP? So let us see. In this case, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So you have to take a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Let's see, it is given to us a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d, and the sum is 20. If we add this, we will get dd cancel out, 3d 3d cancel out, we will get 4a. 4a equal to 20. It means a equal to 5, right? And the square, and the sum of whose square is 120, and sum of whose square, it means when the four numbers in EP whose sum is 20 and the sum of whose square, उनके स्क्वायर का जो सम होगा, इसका क्या मतलब है कि a माइनस 3d लिखा हुआ है, इसका स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, प्लस a माइनस डी लिखा हुआ है, इसका स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, a प्लस डी लिखा हुआ है, इसका स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, a प्लस 3d लिखा हुआ है, इसका स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, और जो इनके सम है इन सबको जोड़ दीजिए, और ये कितने 120 के इक्वल है। इट मीन सिंपली तो आप ऐसा करोगे, यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा आपको, a स्क्वायर मिलेगा प्लस का 3d का स्क्वायर मिलेगा और माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ a इंटू 3d मिलेगा। सिमिलरली आप इसको पास पास लिखो जिससे कि आपको आसानी हो, a स्क्वायर प्लस 3d होल स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ a इंटू 3d, then a plus d whole square, a minus d square, you will get a square plus d square minus 2a d plus a square plus d square plus का 2ad equal to 120. It means simply this and this will be cancel out, and this will be cancel out. You will get a square, a square, a square, a square. 4 times it means you get 4 square plus 3d square, 3d square, right? So then it is 9d square, and 9d square, it is 9d square, it is 9d square, it is 18d square plus it is d square plus it is a d square equal to 120. It means 4a square plus 20 d square equal to 120. It means simply if you take common 4 over there, you will get a square plus 5d square equal to 120 by 4, and simply you will get 30. A square plus 5d square equal to, and what is the value of a? Value of a in this case is 5, right? So put it, it means you will get 25 over there plus 5d square equal to 30. It means 5d square equal to 30 minus 25. It means you will get here 5. So d square equal to 5 is 5, right? So d square equal to 1 and d equal to plus minus 1, right friends? And what is said to us? Find four numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of whose square is 120. And now common difference is given to us and we can find out the solution. A minus 3d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. एक केस है जब हम लेते हैं इसकी वैल्यू +1, डी की वैल्यू एक बार +1 ले लीजिए एंड डी की वैल्यू एक बार -1 ले लीजिए, और 5 इसकी वैल्यू तो 5 ही है, तो आप जानते हो कि 5 में आप एक जोड़ोगे 5, क्या करोगे आप 5 माइनस करोगे 3 इंटू 1, तो ये आपको मिलेगा 2। इस केस में क्या मिलेगा 5 माइनस डी की वैल्यू 1 है तो मिलेगा 4। इस केस में क्या मिलेगा 5 में डिफरेंस आप 1 जोड़ोगे आपको 6 मिलेगा। इस केस में क्या मिलेगा 5 प्लस 3 इंटू 1 आपको 8 मिलेगा। अब इस केस में देख लीजिए सीरीज में ए आपका 5 है, राइट, इसकी वैल्यू -1 है, इट मीन्स -3 -1 आपको 8 मिलेगा। इस केस में ए 5 माइनस -1 आपको 6 मिलेगा 5, और इस केस में ये -1 है आपको 4 मिलेगा, इस केस में 5 प्लस 3 माइनस 1 आपको मिलेगा इस केस में 2. So friends, I hope that uh, you got this concept. You got this concept, right friends? Once again, I will review the whole lecture. And selection of terms in AP, how? If there are three terms, you will choose a minus d, a plus d. If you have took four terms, then you have to do a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Similarly for 5 and 6. And these are two questions below. So in this question, it is said to us that the sum of three numbers is ep is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the number. Similarly, we have make the equation and find the value of first term and the common difference, and by putting the suitable value in the terms what we have assumed, we will got the numbers. Similarly, this is for the four terms. We assume the standard terms a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. We write the equations as per given in the question and we solved it. Then we will find the values of the terms which are required for the series. So friends, I hope that this is very much clear to you, and if you think it is useful to you, subscribe this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube channel and share to your friends. Write your comments in the comment box. That's why we will make this lecture more useful to you. Thank you so much once again for watching this lecture. We will meet in next lecture.